company is ADE 11. Its head office Maharashtra and regional office in Agra. Now new office is working in New Delhi. If we talk about abroad, then this office in Cambodia, you can see photographs of this office and fuel pump on the screen. This company is present in front of you with unique concept. When you invest in this plan, then you can learn and earn through the most secure and sound way. It's registered in 2019 with the leading office in India and Thailand. For faith of this company have legal document certificates with incorporation as well as income tax department documents. Its owner or founder is Mr. Leisman and Thompson Manje, both are experienced of 15 years. Their own hotels and restaurants as well as biodiesel plant and industries. Fuel pump and fuel van as a product are using here. This fuel is made by the tree. From this fuel your vehicle life will be increased and it will be not pollute environment. If you join this company, then you can take benefit of income and save for your vehicle. For joining, firstly you have to register www.ade11.com. After that you have to log in with provisional details. You can take return daily here 1%. Safe and secure plan for everyone. Now we talk about packages, which is minimum 7,500 rupees and maximum 7,50,000 rupees. First package 7,500 rupees and here you can take return 0.50%. Next is 37,500 rupees, return up to 0.7%. Next package is 75,000 rupees and return up to 0.8%. If you join with 3,75,000 rupees, then you can take return up to 0.90% daily. Similarly friends, if you want to join 3,75,000 rupees, then you can take return up to 1.00%. You can take profit up to 200% from this company. Now we talk about one by one income. First income is matching bonus. Here if you do matching left and right, then you can gain per pair matching income is 8%. Per pair daily capping is 7,500 rupees and second is 37,500 rupees and last one is 75,000 rupees. Nextly we talk about matching bonus income. If you match the leg on your direct, you will get 15% within the first level of the matching bonus, and in the second level your matching bonus is 10% and in the third level your matching bonus is 5%. Nextly we talk about ROI income. Here ROI income in first level is 15% and second level is 10% and in the third level is 5%. Nextly we talk about ADE Biofuel Platinum. Here you can get product of 21.60 lakh rupees, which is biofuel mobile van. If you will purchase this van, then you can get weekly income is 16,000 rupees, then monthly you can get 21.76 lakh rupees. Then your investment is complete. Nextly we talk about ADE Biofuel Diamond. Here product is storage outlet. This product price is 51.12 lakh rupees. If you will purchase this product, then you can get weekly income is 36,210 rupees and monthly is 51.14 lakh rupees. Your investment will be complete as well as you can take the advantages of product. Nextly we talk about re-top up. If you get income 10 times, after that you will have to re-top up of your ID with earning money. On top up value matching bonus which you can gain is 4%. You can see on the screen the office of Cambodia. Nextly we talk about award and reward. This reward will be distributed to the investor on 31st December. You can take the reward minimum 3,75,000 rupees to 1 crore, like luxury car, bike, laptop as well as cash as a reward. If you want to join this company, then you can see on the account number on the screen. You can deposit